Earlier this month, we had a really memorable and beautiful dinner at the Hacienda to celebrate the release of our summer allocation. Our friends Lindsay and Matt from Yardbird in Hong Kong came out to help us throw a dinner party. We grilled up yakitori in the courtyard and made a bunch of beautiful seasonal dishes. So today we're going to make a salad inspired by that night, a stone fruit and fig salad with a walnut miso dressing. To make this dressing, we're going to combine some white miso with tahini. I'm going to add now some acidity. We'll add lemon and verjus. I'm going to add a splash of water so it gets looser. Okay, we have a pretty smooth consistency now, and it's runny enough that it'll coat the fruit. So let's give it a taste. It's really good. Nutty from the sesame and salty from the miso. Delicious. Now we can add our toasted walnuts. I just toasted these in a 350-degree oven for about 10 minutes. And I'm going to remove some of the walnut skins because that's where a lot of the tannin and bitterness can come from. So to remove the skins, pour the walnuts out onto a kitchen towel and create a little pouch. So then you just rub it with your hand and the skins fall off. Like that. Now I'm just gonna grab a handful of these walnuts and pound them until we have a paste. So this is looking good. It's started to break down. There's still a little bit of texture. It's not like a completely creamed nut butter. I'm going to add a few spoonfuls of this, of the pounded up walnuts to the dressing. Those walnuts thickened the dressing up a little bit, so I'm gonna add a little bit more water. And then we should be there. Now it's time to cut our stone fruit. I have a beautiful mix of yellow nectarines, white peaches, and pluots, and then some figs. Look at that. It's amazing. So it's kind of nice to use different stone fruit to get different colors and textures, and some are sweeter, some are more tart. Makes it a little bit more interesting. Now I'm going to cut the figs. I also have a combination of fig types here. Now I'm just adding the figs to the other stone fruit. I'm leaving these colorful pluots out so that way they stay bright when we're plating. Now we just spoon over some dressing. Give it a gentle toss. It's going to be very gentle here so the fruit doesn't fall apart. I'm just going to top the salad with these pluots, which are just the most outrageous color. I'm just going to shave some of the toasted walnuts on top. Okay, looks beautiful. Now I'll have a little taste. It really is so delicious. It's nutty and sweet and juicy, and the miso brings a good saltiness. And when the fruit is this ripe and at its peak, it just takes it to a whole new level. So good.